Fix!
Oh, Daddy.
Gonna pay me.
Hey, you. That's part of your job. As your husband, you can fix everything. Just I want to see if I could.
Look at that excellent work.
Wonder if I could.
Hey everyone, today I'm gonna attempt to fix the water heater connector over there. It's leaking water slowly at the tip. I don't really know what I'm doing, so what I'm just gonna do is turn off the heat, my water heater. Then the valve up there, my water input, just gonna shut the water down too. Now I'm gonna wash dishes using hot water, so it'll drain out all the hot water out of the pipe. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm done washing the dishes, and this is the replacement that I'm gonna use. So it's flexible, so it's easier for me to put it in there. And I'm gonna wait a few minutes, maybe like 20 minutes, just to get the water cooler, because there might be some water up there. I don't want to get burned. Also, if you know what I'm doing wrong, can you just leave a comment in the comment section too? So the next person that doing it, they can do it better. Okay. I'm gonna try to remove this one. I put something here, little container here to catch any water that's in here. So I'm gonna use this plier to hold the copper side, then I'm gonna twist this side with this wrench. Hope everything goes well. If not, you're gonna see bloopers here. So far, so good. See if I can use my hands. A little bit of water. Now I'm gonna remove the bottom part. Good. Water, water, water. There's the old pipe. There's some Teflon in there, so I'm just gonna remove it. Teflon on the thread. Now I'm just gonna replace the Teflon tape that was in there. Okay, now there's Teflon tape in there now. I'm gonna put the pipe back. Now, okay, now it's easier to hand tighten than 1/4 turn with a wrench. So I'm gonna hand tighten it first. Do some bending. By the way, I'm using 18-inch pipe connector, water heater connector. Now 1/4 turn with a wrench. I think that was 1/4. And now, yeah, turn the water on. No leak. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the heat back on. And the water back on. The pipe's hot, but there's no leak. Okay, the repair is all done, and please leave a comment if you have a better idea of how I should have done it. You know, the process, which one should I shut off first or not? Okay, because this is the first time I've done this. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.